Hey YouTube, I'm getting another review, and this is the Nuckal's ATV. Let's go with the minifigs first. This is Nuckal, the driver of this truck, and he has like the big head. He's like one of the generals. He has the crack right here, and the spikes almost look like a mohawk. And he has like a metal eye patch, and it's I prefer to call him like Lightning General because like he has blue armor, and yeah. Sometimes like I like to call it the Lightning King. I don't know why, but yeah. But yeah, like it's like the Lightning General. Here's Kai DX. I almost said ZX. He has the golden dragon with fire, and I noticed that all the heads of the dragons on the suit is different somehow, and also the tails. He's bringing out fire, and back here it has like a symbol, I guess. I think it's the symbol of fire, and it says Kai under it. His face is all ninjas have different face. I never mentioned that in my first video. But yeah, his face, he has like the scar right here, right here. The red scar, maybe you won't see it because it's like webcam. Yeah. Okay, onto the vehicle. This is the Nuckal's ATV. It has like fire right here. I don't know why it has only one that points up, like diagonal up, or up diagonal, I don't know. And it's like if it's gonna go down. It looks like if it's gonna go down to somewhere instead of going to the side where it should go. The face, it's just like on the turbo shredder. The wheels are just like the ones in the turbo shredder, but the back. Oh. And I don't know what this is for. This is for this is for really turns, but no, I don't get it. And here are like the levers. Oh, and you see this red dot right here, the red stud? When you push it back, the missile right here comes out and shoots really far. And fast too. The good thing it's made out of rubber, so then you can hit like your brother or something. But not at the face. the spikes up here spikes here can be adjusted just the way you like it, like up, down. I don't know. You can adjust it yourself, but I like to keep them down. It's better that way for me. Maybe not for you, but who cares? It's just adjusting. This is my way. I don't know if any of you do this too, but yeah. This is my way. Unless if you do it too. Yeah, for teeth. Oh yeah, and the head, I guess, the front can also be adjustable. And I don't know why, but when you turn it like this, some wheels from like if you turn it like this, some wheels from here go there, and wheels from here, this side goes there. Oh, you can't see my point. Yeah, this is my review of Nuckal's ATV. Bye. Stop recording!